Hey, what's for lunch?
What is for lunch?
I said, oh, you saw it almost came out. Oh my God, you turned it into a rooster.
Shift the performance.
Poor guy had to pull plugs and all that shit. It hurts my hands from here. If you install the AOS backwards, chances are you're a hyena.
You were just testing me, huh?
Yeah, I wish.
Drop it down low, make the rooster crow.
Ronnie was here testing us.
Whenever I'm here, I like to write Ronnie a little love note, you know? Put a little cape on him. Super cock. Super cock. Alright, Super Cock needs a new home. Happy Friday, Ronnie. Oh shit. Make the rooster close. Hey Ronnie, it's about time for some groceries, bro.
Right?
What's for lunch?
Sushi.
We're taking this hot boy Subaru to lunch. Going to get some Chick-fil-A, do some pulls.
Liquid booty.
Oh, get that shit out of here.
I was coming up right here when all the homeless people were walking across the street.
Oh, it's right here?
Yeah. And then this dude was right here. Where's she standing? She was like right there, like right there.
She threw a sandwich at you?
Yeah, over the car, dude. I almost shot them. I almost shot her and some I swear to God, dude, I was pissed, dude.
She had a sandwich in her hand?
Like something or something. I don't know what the was. It like a tuna sandwich or something?
Ew!
I'm smacked the bitch, took off running.
Oh, shit!
Pretty quick for automatic.
Oh, damn.
It's in the name. We get blowjobs.
Get blowjobs at BJ's. We decided to go to BJ's barbecue over here on Victorian. Huh? Damn, I can smell that fire from here. BJ's. Let's check this place out. This place is pretty cool. All the rewards here. Nice big open seating.
I paid $2 extra for extra meat and didn't put no meat in there.
Well, go get your meat, boy.
God, I'm gonna make them give me another one. I'm not gonna waste time. Call them up and be like, dude, you guys up. Stupid asses.
The boys' meat. Damn, look at that. Everybody got those kick-ass fries. Hot guy. Got some dirty pecker. About to slobber this all over it.
Yeah, dude, it's the same thing. There's no freaking way. They're stupid. I paid $2. I paid $2 extra. Retards. Either you guys give me the extra meat next time I go in or whatever. I mean, like I said, my coworker has more. It looks like he has more meat than I do, and I paid $2 extra. For that or remake it or something, I don't know. I'm at work right now.
Fresh delivery.
Fresh delivery.
Oh my God, Clinton! Oh, Big Papa. What you got, Big Papa?
New J-box for the dyno.
Whatever that is.
Control box.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Ooh, baby.
Are you some sort of DJ Dino guy?
Yeah, DJ Dyno guy.
Alright, we're replacing the J box. This one was giving us a little trouble with the RPMs and what's nots. So we'll test it today, hopefully, and see if that fixes our problem. He's over here looking for bigger turbos for the Forester. He wants to put a 1.5. Everything's getting a 1.5 here at Shifted. Click, click, bang.
Did you plug that thing in?
The main connector.
Yeah.
Got one connector. Oh, smart guy. Oh, the main harness was unplugged?
No wonder that the windshield wiper thing went on super heavy.
Ooh, fresh monster.
Fresh monster. The monster does the tuning.
You know what it is?
Looking good.
Damn, no smoke.
Yeah. Woo. Oh, baby. Huh? No smoke on Japanese? Yeah, huh?
You wanna go pop the door open?
Pop that door like you pop your collar. 3 cent, 5 cent, 5 cent dollar. He's watching soap operas over here. Oh. Wrong switch. Just making fun of my tripod and shit. She running rich, boy. About to do a road dyno, make sure everything's good.
Little fag.
And Clinton just farted in there.
Butt dyno.
Get it?
What dyno?
Damn. Alright, we're getting the final numbers here. Dyno graph.
So this was, let's see. This is the final. 368. Yeah, 368.
How much torque?
Torque was 368.
Damn, that's never happened, huh?
Yeah, no.
Hell yeah. There you go, boys. Twinscroll power.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, so before he was hitting 302 with the stock turbo.
Yeah,
Now we're
302. Now we're at 368.
Damn. So yeah, pretty much 70
Yeah,
wheel
so this
horsepower.
solid line, that's the old, this is the new. Same with the torque, old, new.
Beautiful. And a JDM STI is the same as a US STI.
Obviously, it's not. It's not making the same power.
That's because it's a 2.5. With that 2.0 shit, bro, revs out to 8K. What you know about that?
Obviously, it doesn't do you any good, right?
Yeah, it does.
Not making any power. Well, that 2.0
This
shit
one
is
makes
hype.
power all the way to the red line.
2.0 all hyped up.
So that's why it's fast. Fast compared to your STI right now.
Yeah.
Go race the Forester.
Oh yeah, let's go.
He's in the other one. What about the other one?
This one is supposed to work better.
There's still fucking flame under there.
How close did it get to you?
First step, announcing to the shop that you got to go take a trip to the boys' room. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up here at Shifted Performance for the day. Glad we got all those issues figured out with the RS. Made 368. Made good power. Customers are going to be happy. Got the job done. Peace out, Hyanthus. Blah! Just got a fresh fade at the barber. Now we're gonna go home, meet up with Amethyst, go out for a few drinkies. How am I supposed to get out, huh? Jesus, hit the mirror. Guess I'm parking in the driveway, boys. Where's my rent, cat? I don't see you forking over rent. I'm just paying for your food, but I ain't getting no rent. Give me some rent. Huh? Give me some rent. We just got to the Z Bar. I'd like you all to meet my beautiful wife, Amethyst.
Hi. I have never I felt like a job
There's that crate. Cheers. Cheers. We got Casey.
That's right.
And Dink joined in the party.
Yeah.
We vibing. We vibing. Oh my God, it's taking over my body. I'm a rooster. I'm a rooster. We got a guest rooster in the house. Do the cock dance. Comes with like a growly.
Oh, nice.
So we just had 5 beers at the Z Bar.
Yeah.
We got the rooster mask and we're looking for some feed, some grocery. You can see the crosswalk we're using right now.
Oh, I can't go in. Are any of you guys Herman? No, you're not Herman? No. No, you're not Herman?
All right, let's see if the rooster can get some honks.
Ow! Ow! Love that.
No? Can I get a honk? Can I get a honk? Nobody wants to honk. These guys just eating pizza going, ah!
It's hot.
Holy shit.
Look at that. Pizzava? Huh? Huh? They're just burning their fingers. I'm just chilling. The only reason I'm not that person because I had those kick-ass fries. I'm still full from that shit. Otherwise, I'd be burning my mouth and fingers just like them. The pepperoni per square inch is amazing.
Never had anything like it.
Are y'all ready?